The World Cup is not just about football this year. PU Prime has actually built a World Cup 2026 campaign where traders can complete missions, collect coins, and make football predictions, as well as redeeming rewards while the tournament story unfolds. If you're a trader and a football fan, this is a campaign worth looking at. None of this is financial advice, always do your own research, but let's dive into this. This is the PU World Cup 2026 campaign from PU Prime, created around the excitement of the 2026 World Cup and PU Prime's regional sponsorship of the Argentine Football Association. The idea is simple: combine the energy of football with the mindset of trading. Both require preparation, discipline, timing, and the ability to perform under pressure. Our sponsor today is Lead Sniper, and Lead Sniper basically allows you to scale your business massively by scraping the internet for leads that actually convert. They have helped thousands of marketers, including myself, so I'm very happy they have sponsored the video today. Now, they have a Google Map scraper, a Google search scraper, and even a Yellow Pages scraper, and with many more tools coming out soon. So definitely check them out in the description. Let's get back to the video. Now, why does this stand out? Most broker campaigns are just about the bonus or a simple promotion. This one feels different because it's built like a tournament. There are phases, missions, coins, football predictions, games, and rewards. Instead of only logging into trade, users can follow the campaign like a match schedule and keep coming back for new actions. The campaign timeline now focuses on the active tournament period and the closing rewards period. The main event phase runs from June 11th to July 19th, where users can take part in matchday predictors and top trio predictors. After that, the post-event phase runs from the 20th of July to the 31st of July, with final reward redemptions and community highlights inside the Rewards Hub. Across the campaign, daily missions, golden kick, and small social media games are designed to keep users active. Now, how do users participate? Well, the campaign works in a simple way. You visit the PU World Cup 2026 campaign page, log in or register with PU Prime, check the active missions, and start collecting coins through eligible actions. During the tournament, prediction features let users make football-related guesses, such as matchday predictions or top trio predictions. These coins can then be used inside the Rewards Hub. Just be sure to always check the official terms and conditions before joining, because eligibility, locations, account requirements, and rewards rules can vary. Now, the rewards themselves are pretty straightforward. The campaign page and public campaign information mention rewards such as trading vouchers, exclusive merchandise, and AFA-related prizes. One of the strongest emotional hooks is the chance to redeem or win authentic AFA-signed jerseys, connecting the campaign directly to PU Prime's football partnership. This makes the rewards feel more connected to the World Cup theme instead of just being generic giveaways. Now, why would traders care about this? For traders, the most interesting part is the connection between the football strategy and the market strategy. A good football team does not win by guessing. It studies the opponent, manages pressure, and executes the right moment. Trading also requires planning, risk management, patience, and discipline. That's the message PU Prime is using here. Performance is built before the big moment. Now, we should do a risks disclaimer, so let's do that now. An important note here: trading CFDs and leveraged products involves risk and can result in losses. This video is not financial advice, and the campaign should not be treated as a guarantee of profit or reward. Before joining, read the campaign rules, understand the trading risks, and only trade money you can afford to lose. That being said, I've been using PU Prime for years now, and honestly guys, it's one of the best platforms out there for trading not only Forex, but many other assets as well. If you want to follow a trading campaign built around the World Cup, visit the PU World Cup 2026 page on puprime.com. Check the current missions, see what rewards are available, read the terms, and decide if the campaign fits your trading goals. Football has its tournaments. PU Prime is turning trading engagement into one too. That's going to be it from me. We'll see you guys in the next video.